Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good night. I don't know what time it is where you're watching this. Um, so today we're going over something called Windows Subsystem for Linux. What that means is you can take your CMD command line and turn it into a bash from the Linux kernel. Well, a Microsoft written version of the Linux kernel. It's changing soon. But just to see, this is in fact Linux. As you can see, you can do apt search Chromium. It's full Linux. The other you can, so that's a CMD. So yeah, it's a pretty cool thing. Linux is definitely helpful for workflow things, and there's a lot of things that's just easier in Linux terminal, especially if you're familiar with the Linux terminal than it is on CMD. And you can use that, like I showed you there in a few things, you can use that to do things with that. So to turn this on, if you like, stop talking, Wesley, show me how to do it. To turn this on, it's built right into Windows. So just, I don't actually know what version of Windows it began on. So you go to your start menu and you begin to type in turn on Windows features and click on that there. This little box will start up, and if you scroll down to the bottom, you will see something called Windows Subsystem for Linux. So you want to check that box and press OK. When you do that, it's going to tell you to restart your computer. Go ahead and restart your computer. It will do its little update thing. So next thing you want to do, when you get it up and running again, is simply go to the Windows Store here. You wait for it to load because I'm on a little bit slower Wi-Fi connection. There we go. Here we are. We're back, everybody. Sorry about that. So once it opens, hopefully yours doesn't treat you like mine treated mine. Type in the search box, come up here and type in Linux. Press enter. Okay, now you're going to be treated with a whole bunch of options. Some of these down here are just random apps that have the name Linux in them. I'm not sure what that is. What they do have is Debian, SUSE, Ubuntu LTS, Kali Linux, and just normal Ubuntu, which would be the 1910 or the 2004, which is out by the time you'll be seeing this video. So it's not showing it, but I have Ubuntu installed. But actually, I'm going to go ahead and install the Kali Linux because it's going to be the same process. So let's go ahead and press get to walk you through. So here it is starting to download, and I'll definitely be back with you in a minute. Okay, we finally made it through all of that download. Here we go. After you download your version of Linux that you want to install, it is as simple as pressing launch and installing. This may take a few minutes. So there again, we will be back. And we're back. So it's asking for a username that you want. So just type in the username that you want and your new password. Retype your password for security's sake. And there you go. Now fully up and operational. So there you go, guys. Now to access that, you could type in Kali, or you could go into your CMD and type in Kali. If you have multiple OSs, you can do that too, or simply just bash. And there you go. But yeah. Hope y'all have a great day. Thank you for watching. Peace out.